On 10th April 1912, the largest luxury ship in the world set sail from Southampton in England to New York. She was called the Titanic. The word Titanic means huge. This was her maiden voyage. That is, her first voyage. She set out to cross the Atlantic Ocean. And she carried more than 2,000 passengers. The Titanic was like a floating town. Everyone called the Titanic the finest ship in the world. Everyone was proud of her. She was as tall as a building with 15 stories. Inside, she was like a large hotel with grand staircases, dining rooms, shops, and swimming pools. On 10th April 1912, the largest luxury ship. What is a luxury ship? A luxury ship is one that is very comfortable for travelers and also costs them a lot of money. So this ship set sail from Southampton in England to New York. Come, let's look what this phrase set sail means. Set sail. Started sailing. The timbers creaked as the boat set sail. She started her journey from Southampton in England to New York. She was called the Titanic, and the meaning of this word Titanic is huge. The word Titanic is derived from the Greek mythology. The Titans were a race of powerful gods. This word means extremely large and powerful. The name Titanic was given to the ship because it was a gigantic and strong ship. This was her maiden voyage, which means this was Titanic's first journey. She set out to cross the Atlantic Ocean. She carried more than 2,000 passengers on board, which means that more than 2,000 passengers were on board. Now let's look what this term on board means. On board, sailing on the ship. Several little boats escorted the sailing ship into the harbor. Titanic was like a floating town. Everyone called Titanic the finest ship in the world. Why they called Titanic the finest ship in the world? They called Titanic the finest ship in the world because they were very proud of her, and she was like a floating town, a floating city, a city on water with all the luxuries, facilities and amenities. She was like a tall building and had 15 stories. Inside this ship, there was a large hotel with grand staircases, dining rooms, shops and swimming pools. Come, let's have a look at the grand staircases. Everyone thought that the Titanic could never sink. They called her the unsinkable ship. The ship's builders were so sure of this that they put only a few lifeboats on the ship. Everyone thought that the ship could never sink. The makers of the ship were so confident of this that they called it the unsinkable ship and put very few lifeboats on the ship. What are lifeboats? They are small boats carried on a ship to rescue passengers in case it starts sinking. The journey was very comfortable. The passengers were proud because they were traveling in the best ship in the world. They felt safe. The beginning of the journey was very comfortable. The passengers were very proud of the fact that they were sailing on the ship. In fact, they thought that they were sailing on the best ship in the world. They felt very safe and had no doubt in their minds about their safety. It's time to watch the recap video of today's class.